Hello guys, my name is Big Lemon 29 and today I'm going to be reviewing my first product. What was the back of it? Sorry. Let's see if you can see this, the Asus Xonar DGX sound card. So this is a sound card that I installed on my desktop PC or my gaming PC. And what a sound card does, if you don't know, is that it processes audio. So you can have like better audio. So most motherboards or main chipsets of computers that build an audio, but if you get a sound card, the quality is generally better. So this series is generally recommended for gaming, and that's what I got it for. So I would recommend this product if you are a gamer who really relies on sound in the game. For example, if you're playing Team Fortress 2 and you need really good audio to hear if a spy does dead wrong and is decloaking right behind you. And this could be a lifesaver in any sort of game. So it is a PCIe, so what that means is the certain slot that it goes into your motherboard, so it can go into any PCI slot, and it has it's a 5.1 audio card. So 5.1, it's a stereo system, so that means you can hook up multiple stereos together. So let's say if you have a left stereo, a right stereo, and a middle stereo, and a back stereo. You can hear the sounds from all of them equally. So it does include software, the Asus Xonar DGX Center, and that does allow Dolby headphone usage. So what that enables is that you can have surround sound using your headphones. For example, if you were in TF2 again, or Team Fortress 2, and there is a spy decloaking to your left, you would be able to hear him from your left because of the surround sound, because it bounces the sound from left to the right. So this also does have a really other cool feature called jack sensing front panel. So what that does is that if you hook this up to your front stereo jack, so if you have the case and you have like the front jack, because this card will stick out the end of your PC, and if it does have little ports there, you can stick in your headphones or speakers, but you can also plug them to the front and have software that automatically detects what type of port you're using in the front. So this card, the card's already installed on my computer, so I'm not going to show you it. I mean, it's about like that big. Like, I don't really want to, if I'm doing like reviews on components, I don't really want to show you them because it's not really do anything. I mean, it's small enough that it should fit in any case. So anyway, this does have, if you can see here, the other port. I'm not going to talk about that because I am trying to appeal to the audience of people that like don't understand all this stuff. So it has one line in port or microphone port, so if you need a jack sensing microphone, you stick it in there and it works. You have a left speaker and a right speaker, and you have a center. So the center is for the center speaker or for headphones. If you're a headphone user, which most gamers are, you can use that. So I highly recommend this product if you are a gamer or you need nice sound. If you're setting up like a multimedia system, like you got your TV hooked up and want to watch movies, this definitely produces much better sound than a standard motherboard chipset. So it does sell for a good price. I think mine's either like 30 or 60 bucks. I think it was 60 bucks. It's a very good card. I highly recommend it. So this concludes my first review. So I hope you guys like and enjoy. Bye.